I'm Amanda Hund. I'm a fifth-year graduate student in the Department of Ecology and Evolutionary Biology at CU. And what I am interested in and what I study is actually how new species form. And this is a really big evolutionary question, but it's really important if we want to understand the biodiversity that we have on this earth, which is really fascinating. So the big question that I focus on for my research is how new species form. And this is a really important question because it helps us understand how biodiversity formed on the Earth. So initially, one of the beginnings of how new species form is that populations of closely related animals no longer interbreed with each other. And how this happens is really due to the females. So the females get to make all the decisions, of course, and the females are the ones that choose their mates. And they often choose their mates based on these really exciting ornamental traits. And these can be things like loud songs, bright colors, flashy feathers. And what happens is that when you have organisms that are closely related and these traits start to change, females from one group will no longer mate with males from another group. And this is the very beginning of how species form because we don't get any breeding across these populations. So these females aren't just picking these traits for no reason, they're actually getting information about the quality of the male that they're choosing based on these traits. So what my research has looked at is basically what information these females are gaining by selecting the traits that they do. And what I've found so far is that in Colorado, this dark ventral color here is actually linked with the parasites that a male has in his territory. So darker, more attractive males actually have fewer parasites in their nests compared to light males. And this is really good information for the female to have because those parasites actually influence how well her nestlings survive. And in Europe, interestingly, these long tail streamers that you see here are actually giving similar information. So the long-tailed males in the Czech Republic also have nests that are higher quality or better. They have fewer parasites compared to nests of sort of the short-tailed, less attractive males. So what I found so far is that two different sexual traits sort of independently are signaling really important information when it comes to how nestlings survive and parasites.